subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Lenovo has launched its new affordable smartphone under K-series in Russia called Lenovo K14 Plus, and it seems to be a rebranded version of the Moto E40 smartphone that was launched back in October last year. Talking about the specifications, the Lenovo K14 Plus features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate, and it has a hole punch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. The rear panel of the phone houses a vertically aligned triple camera setup at the top left corner that includes a 48-megapixel main camera with f1.79 aperture plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Lenovo K14 Plus comes powered by UniSoC T700 chipset paired with Mali G52 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. The handset runs on Android 11 out of the box, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP52 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.1 by 75.6 by 9.1mm, and it weighs around 198 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Lenovo K14 Plus has been priced in Russia at 11,490 Russian rubles, and it is now available for purchase at a discount price of 10,470 Russian rubles. The smartphone will be seen in beige and black color options. So what do you guys think of this Lenovo K14 Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.